Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a wash day using mostly Olaplex products. To prep my hair for the first step of Olaplex number 3, I'm getting my hair damp with this rosemary water from Camille Rose Natural. The directions for Olaplex number 3 call for you to apply it to damp towel dried hair prior to shampooing. Olaplex number 3 is a pre-treatment that claims to improve texture and hair appearance by repairing the disulfide bonds in your hair. The consistency of this was sort of like a thick conditioner. I could tell this was meant to repair and strengthen my hair because my hair definitely felt stronger while I was using it. The directions call for you to leave this on your hair for 10 minutes, and it also says that this could be used weekly. I probably will not be using this weekly because I really like doing coconut oil as my pre-treatment, but I could definitely see myself doing this monthly. The next step is to shampoo with the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. What I noticed immediately from using this shampoo was how thick it was. At first, I really thought I liked the shampoo because I do usually like really thick shampoos. This shampoo also had a really good lather on it, and I felt like my hair was getting really clean. Normally, when I'm washing my hair, I always shampoo it twice. I always go in with a strengthening shampoo first and then follow up with a moisturizing shampoo. Today, I only used the Olaplex shampoo because I wanted to see how it performed on its own. Here's my hair immediately after using the shampoo and the pre-treatment. My hair is a lot drier than normal and a lot harder to detangle. This is probably because I just used 2 bond building products that were meant to strengthen my hair. I do like the Olaplex number 3 hair perfector, but if I decide to use the shampoo again, I will be following up with a moisturizing shampoo after I use it. If you have problems detangling your hair like I'm having today, try using a shampoo that is targeted to moisturize your hair. It'll make detangling so much easier. When your hair is dry, or if you use a shampoo that dries your hair out, it'll be harder to detangle. You'll also experience more shedding on wash days. Moving on to Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This conditioner is targeted to restore moisture balance, repair damaged hair bonds, improve manageability, and add softness and shine. This is supposed to be applied to freshly shampooed hair and left on for 3 to 5 minutes. This conditioner was really thick and moisturizing. It definitely made my hair more manageable than it was after I had first shampooed it, and I could definitely see myself using this again. This is what my hair looks like after using the conditioner. It is more manageable and it is softer. The next step in my wash day regimen is going to be to apply the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. This is going to act as my deep conditioner. I like this conditioner because it is very, very moisturizing, but once I rinse it out, it does not leave a residue on my hair. My hair is just left feeling very moisturized, and it also gives me a soft and silky silk press. I'm gonna let this sit on my hair and apply some heat for about 20 to 30 minutes before I move on to styling. To blow dry my hair, I'm going to first apply my heat protectant. I'm using the Chi 44 Iron Guard and the Color Wow Dream Coat. The Color Wow Dream Coat is going to make my hair smoother, help it to fight against frizz, and also prevent it from reverting throughout the week. I like to blow dry my hair in sections of 4 because it's easier for me to manage that way. First, I just hold it tight with my hand to apply some tension and get my roots dry. And then I like to go in with the paddle brush. This applies tension as well and also make sure that my ends are straight. Before flat ironing my hair, I'm going in with the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. This is going to protect my hair from heat as well as add moisture and shine. I really enjoy using the Olaplex system that I purchased from Amazon. If you have never used Olaplex products but you want to try them, I definitely think that this is a good buy. I got 4 products for $50, 1 full-size product and 3 mini-size products. This is a good deal because the full-size product, which is the bonding oil, is $30 by itself, and the mini-size products are $15 by themselves. I'll leave the link in my description box if you want to check out this hair kit. As for the Olaplex products, I definitely enjoyed them and my hair felt so soft and silky after this wash day. That being said, there were definitely some products that I would repurchase and some products that I would not. The product that I would hands down repurchase is the Olaplex No. 3 pre-treatment. I think this is great for relaxer days. I also think it's great to use as a heavy protein treatment once a month or every other month. I would not repurchase the Bond Maintenance shampoo. It is really thick and I thought I would really like that, but at a price point of $30, I think there are other shampoos that are great at repairing bonds, but not leaving your hair feeling so dry and stripped. I don't think it's necessary to follow up with a Bond Maintenance shampoo as strong as the Olaplex one right after using the pre-treatment. I think you could get away with using a milder bond maintenance shampoo that would be cheaper, or just using a regular or moisturizing shampoo. As far as Olaplex No. 5, the conditioner, I think it is a nice conditioner and it serves its purpose. You put the conditioner in and then you rinse it out. Once you rinse it out, your hair is left feeling more manageable. But for the price, I think there are other alternatives that work a little bit better and make my hair feel more moisturized. Those products also have bond building properties as well. Olaplex is a higher end product, but there are also higher end products that are not as expensive, but in my opinion work a little bit better. As far as the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil, I was already using this oil, so this was nothing new to me. I really like this oil. It is a lightweight oil that adds moisture and shine. I use this on an almost daily basis to moisturize my ends at night before wrapping my hair. I also have been using it as a heat protectant, as you see in this video, before flat ironing, and I have no complaints. I'm happy that I got the full-size bottle with this purchase because my mini one was running out. For the price and quality of this oil, I definitely think it is worth purchasing, and I will repurchase again once I run out of my full size. I believe this oil has also helped me retain more length this time around. I know I did not try all of the products in the Olaplex line, and I'm interested in trying more of the products to see how I feel about those. Have you tried Olaplex products, or will you be considering trying them after this video? Let me know what your favorite Olaplex product is, or if there is an Olaplex product that I didn't try today that I really need to try. If you got anything out of this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and tuning in to my other videos. I'm gonna finish my hair and let some music play. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you and appreciate you so much.